Hi, I'm Nischal Narayanam, founder of our education company, Nischals Smart Learning Solutions. The core ideology of our company has always been to transform theoretical, abstract, chalk and talk based teaching into a practical, activity based, hands on experimental learning. Our portable labs perfectly manifest our vision. Let me introduce you to our world class biology lab, a gateway into the world of living organisms. Our world-class biology lab is a perfect, comprehensive, compact setup which consists of over 1,000 lab components with state-of-the-art lab equipment, grade-wise lab manuals, video guides, and a wide range of charts. Our portable labs are an antidote to the conventional approach of taking a child to a lab in a school, but instead it's bringing the lab itself into the classroom, empowering both the educators and the students so that every day, every concept can be taught and learned in a practical atmosphere in the classroom itself.
Let's zoom in on Nischal's biology lab and explore some of the tools it has to offer. Our lab offers two types of microscopes, the compound microscope and the dissection microscope, boasting an impressive 200x magnification. This level of magnification surpasses that of conventional microscopes, providing enhanced clarity and detail for exploring the microscopic world through observation. To understand the concepts related to release of heat energy during respiration, we have a calorimeter. This is housed in an insulated thermocol box and is accompanied by a thermometer, ensuring accurate measurements and a controlled environment for experimentation. Our lab consists of a diverse range of colorful and child-friendly models, including the brain, human eye, human heart, kidney, and skeleton, designed to facilitate a comprehensive understanding of the human anatomy. In addition, we provide 30 varieties of plant and animal slides along with several empty ones, allowing students to prepare their own samples. Our unbreakable embedded specimens replace the conventional ones stored in jars, minimizing the risk of breakage and leakage, ensuring a safer environment for hands-on learning. Our lab is equipped with its own spirit lamp, two-way clamp stand, watch glasses, and additional tools, enabling students to explore concepts such as seed germination, testing for starch in leaves, and stages of mitotic cell division. Our diverse array of glassware comprises watch glasses, test tubes, borosilicate beakers, and petri dishes, facilitating a wide range of experiments. These tools enable students to explore concepts such as understanding the functions of roots and stems, conducting starch, fat, and protein tests, understanding the acidic and basic nature of food substances, studying food preservation and transportation in plants, and many more. Furthermore, our biology lab is also equipped with essential items including a stethoscope, apron, magnifying lens, and chemicals in safe quantities, enabling seamless execution of multiple experiments. We provide all the necessary apparatus required for a comprehensive hands-on learning experience. The best part of a biology lab are the world-class grade-wise lab manuals highlighting step-wise process to perform each and every experiment aligned with our Indian and international boards. Our instructional video guides and illustrative charts, uniquely crafted for educators, are an added advantage. Our self-sustaining biology lab eliminates external dependencies and truly revolutionizes the conventional teaching methods by turning your classroom into a dynamic laboratory, promoting hands-on and practical learning approach.